Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing ventilation and PPE. Put on goggles, nitrile gloves, and an organic vapor respirator. Set up a metal or glass containment tray. Once done, stir the paint thinner in a labeled jar and dip a lint-free rag. Do not soak a flammable rag. You should test the thinner on an inconspicuous area to confirm adhesion removal and surface reaction, because different paints and substrates react differently. Make sure to keep ignition sources far away before proceeding with the first wipe. You work systematically across the surface, applying thinner in small sections so the solvent acts without evaporating too quickly. Once applied, wait 1 to 3 minutes. The paint will swell and lift, which is why you then scrape with a plastic scraper at a shallow angle. If paint resists, reapply thinner and wait again rather than increasing force, because heat or aggressive scraping can damage the substrate. Make sure to change rags frequently and capture all softened paint into a disposable container. You finish by wiping the surface with clean solvent-free rags, then wash with soap and water to remove residue. Allow full air drying. Once dry, sand lightly where needed and apply primer or protective finish to prevent flash rust or recoat failure. Make sure to seal and dispose of used rags and solvent per local hazardous waste rules. If the surface appears etched or discolored, stop, test a gentler solvent on a hidden patch, and consider neutralizing the area before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.